Hello, welcome again. We are solving GATE 2025 Production and Industrial Engineering paper. Question number 59 is three plants P1, P2 and P3 produce 6, 1 and 9,000 liters of fruit juice respectively. The produced fruit juice is transported to three distribution centers D1, D2 and D3 with requirement of 7, 5 and 4,000 liters of juice respectively. The transportation cost in hundred of rupees from each plant to each distribution center is given in the table. The total transportation cost in hundred of rupees in initial basic feasible solution using Vogel's approximation method is dash. Answer in integers. So this is the given table. First row is D1, D2, D3 and first column is P1, P2, P3 and allocation under these rows and column are 2, 3, 11, 1, 0, 6, 5, 8, 50. So these are the boxes and demand is 754 for D1, D2, D3 and supply is 619 for P1, P2 and P3. So according to vocal approximation method, we will calculate the penalty of each row and each column. So that penalty is calculated by uh, subtracting the minimum amount from the next minimum amount in that row or in that column. So in this row we have minimum amount as 2 and minimum next minimum is 3. So penalty for wrong allocation is 3 minus 2, that is 1. And in this row the penalty will be at 1 minus 0, 1. And in this row it will be 8 minus 5, 3. In this column it will be 11 minus 6, 5. And in this column it will be 3 minus 0, 3. And in this 2 minus 1, 1. Okay, so these are the penalties. So out of this maximum penalty is 5, so we will allocate that row or column where the penalty is maximum. So here we will assign one, we can assign here only one to the minimum element. Minimum element is 6, so we can assign only 1 liter juice, that is 2, where the cost is 6. Okay, so now this row will be omitted because here the requirement is only 1, and here now these two rows are left, 2, 3, 11 and 5, 8, 15. Now again we will calculate the penalty. So for this row the penalty is 3 minus 2, which is 1, and for this row penalty is 8 minus 3, 5, 3. For this column the penalty is 15 minus 11, 4. Here the penalty is 8 minus 3, 5. Here the penalty is 5 minus 2, 3. So maximum penalty is this. So we will allocate this, we can allocate here 5 units because here the requirement is 6 units, so we can allocate here 5. Now this column will be omitted because its requirement is satisfied or demand is satisfied. So now the two columns are left, 2, 5 and 5, 11. Again we will calculate penalty. Penalty here is 9, here it is 10, here it is 15 minus 11, 4, here it is 5 minus 2, 3. So maximum penalty is this. So we will start allocating from this. So here the minimum element is 5, so we can allocate 7 fruit juice, and rest 2 will be allocated here. Okay, so now here in this column the demand is 3, so we allocate one more to this. Now the total cost will be here 6 into 1 plus 3 into 5 plus 11 into 1 plus 15 into 2 plus 7 into 5. So that will be 97. Answer is 97.